4 best guides to address different odors at home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. No matter how much we try to keep our home clean, there is always something that pops up. Mostly it is a weird smell that lingers in our rooms. Here is a quick guide on how to treat and prevent bad odors from taking place in your home. Kitchen counters. Very often, we use counters for cutting and food preparations. Most of the time, when cleaning after a cooking session, we only use wet cloth or sponge to wipe the counters from any food residues. But only damp cloth is not enough to get rid of the smell. To prevent the smell from getting soaked in the kitchen counters, always use cutting boards or cooking sheets. Throw away any vegetable peels immediately or put them on a plate, and throw when ready. There are plenty of store-bought cleaning solutions, but very often they are harmful to people. If you are a fan of eco-friendly cleaning, you can clean and neutralize any smells using cinnamon, lemon and salt. It kills all the germs and leaves the kitchen smelling fresh. Trash cans. Trash cans are the smelliest things in a home. Use plastic bags in the trash can, so you will be able to dispose of the trash easily and without a further mess. Throw the trash every day. Give the trash can a good wash every week to get rid of bad smells and germs. To eliminate existing bad odor, mix baking soda and white vinegar into a spray bottle. Spray the mixture generously in the trash bin, let it sit for a while and then wash. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Bathrooms. Bathrooms are places that have the most daily usage and are bound to smell bad. The easiest way to treat a smelly bathroom is to open the window and let the air ventilate. If the smell is still a concern, you can always use the air fresheners or try some baking soda because it absorbs the entire unpleasant odor. And don't forget to give the bathroom a good cleaning session at least once a week. Wardrobe. Wardrobes can smell somewhat unpleasant because of the dirty clothes and shoes we often leave. The best way to treat smelly shoes is by using tea bags or baking soda. You can either sprinkle your shoes with baking soda or place a tea bag inside it. Both work just fine. Keep your wardrobe door open, so it doesn't gather all the moisture and humidity inside. Now that you know how to deal with unpleasant odors at home, you can now address the areas properly. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 5 best ideas to clean your basement easily by yourself. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.